Thomas and friends, Tomy and Trackmaster TNF. Short 5. A truck crashing into a house. One day at the navigation, Peter Sam's their hammer were visiting by a truck. Hey, who are you? Well, I'm a truck that carries cars. Yeah, and I can go very fast. Fast is a handle. Well, if you can go very fast, how about taking me into a race? And you're not going to hear me roll. Why? Because... Okay. And now, your wheels squeak. When Duke came up. Oh, that Luke, it sounds like you need some oil in your reel. You sound like you need some oil in your wheels. Yes, I do. But no one don't have none. And no one doesn't have any oil. Well, oh yeah, right. Well, you can probably tell Victor if he has some oil. So Victor's out of oil, said Peter Sam. Oh yeah, he needs to order more. Well, let's see how fast. Do you want to see how fast I can go by doing a lap around there? Well, the thing is, this is one of these things. If you do a lap around a house, you might actually crash in the wall. That's the stupidest legend ever. Away I go! I'm saying this is true. Then there was trouble. The truck went too fast. And actually crashed. Into a house. I warned you. Sounds like you really did, Peter Sam. But we should haul him out. How are we gonna do that? Oh yeah. And with all his might, Duke got the truck from the wreckage of the house and put him back on the field. Thank you, Duke. Oh, you're welcome. I saved more than one engine. Well, now you know that there's some legends. Okay, so now you know that some legends I said this are true. Yes, I know that. When you go too fast and in laps around houses, you can actually crash into them. And all the navigation engines and the big yellow truck agreed.